Pantnagar University is the mother of Green Revolution and is constantly working and evolving towards excellence. In this direction, recently the university have got a World Bank funded project by the name of Institutional Development Plan or the IDP. IDP is constantly working towards improving the academic and governance system by means of various activities for the student and faculty members of the university. One such activity in this direction was a soft skill personality development training by the name Communication Skill and Art of Expression. The training was coordinated by one of the project scientists of the academic team of IDP, Dr. Aman Kamboj.
Under NAHEP IDP, recently we have organized a 3-day workshop on communication skills, the art of expression. इस वर्कशॉप को कंडक्ट कराने के लिए हमारे साथ थे डॉक्टर गिरिजेश महरा, जो कि ICAR के अंदर वैज्ञानिक हैं, और इन्हीं के साथ थे मिस्टर अंकुश चावला, जो कि इस समय IIM अहमदाबाद के अंदर अपनी स्टडीज़ परस्यू कर रहे हैं। इस वर्कशॉप को करने के पीछे बेसिक उद्देश्य यह था कि किस तरह स्टूडेंट्स को हम कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स के फील्ड में एक्सेल तक जाने के लिए मोटिवेट कर सकते हैं। हम किसी भी फील्ड में चले जाएं, बीइंग इनटू एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड, वेटनरी फील्ड, फिशरीज, फॉरेस्ट्री, होम साइंस, सब जगह कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स का एक बड़ा वैल्यू है, ग्रुप डिस्कशंस का बड़ा वैल्यू है। इस सभी पॉइंट्स को उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी तरह स्टूडेंट्स के सामने रखा और निसंदेह इससे स्टूडेंट्स बहुत बेनिफिटेड हुए।
During the 3 days soft skill training, the undergraduate students of the university got a chance to meet with the renowned experts from IARI and IIM Ahmedabad, which are two of the most prestigious institutes of the country. The expert for day 1 of the training was Mr. Girjesh Singh Mahara, who is a renowned scientist in ICAR-IARI. During his deliberation, Mr. Girjesh Singh Mahara oriented the students about various aspects of public speaking.
तो देखें, विदाउट पेज आपको आके जितना बढ़िया हो सकता है, आप सोचिए कि 1 मिनट स्पीच कॉन्टेस्ट है, उस तरह से, उस जोश के साथ, उस नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन के साथ, उस इफेक्टिवनेस के साथ आपको बोलना। उसके बाद हम सब लोग आपको फीडबैक देंगे और उसके बाद और को भी हम मौका देंगे समय के साथ। अभी ये था।
On the second day, we had Mr. Ankush Chawla, who is a master scholar in IIM Ahmedabad.
अगर किसी को गुड हैबिट चाहिए और किसी को लगता है कि आई नो दैट हाउ आई गॉट दैट गुड हैबिट, मैं आपकी हेल्प कर सकता हूँ, कर सकती हूँ, जस्ट राइट योर नेम इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट। डोंट हेजिटेट दैट इज इट अ बॉय और गर्ल, बी ग्रोन अप। तो सच कुछ मत सोचना कि मैं इसकी हेल्प नहीं कर सकता, इसकी हेल्प नहीं कर सकती। अगर आपको लगता है कि ये स्किल मैं सिखा सकता हूँ, ये गुड हैबिट मैं दे सकता हूँ, ये दे सकती हूँ, या ये बैड हैबिट्स मैं उसको बाहर निकाल सकता हूँ, जस्ट राइट योर नेम इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट। आओ और पढ़ो, करो इसे।
During these 2 days training, students got to know more about the concept of public speaking, group discussion and personal interview by means of various activities that were planned by the experts. The 3 days soft skill training culminated with encouraging and enthusiastic feedback of the participants.
To me, the best part of this communication skill workshop were the activities that we did. On first day, we were given a topic and we were given only few minutes to think about it and write an article. So this thing generated a skill of spontaneous thinking in ourselves. And today also we did a group discussion. We studied many of the things in our class, but today we came to know that there are certain steps to go through that discussion.
Actually, I joined this workshop because I wanted to learn public speaking. On the first day, the listener told us about the non-verbal, how to communicate non-verbally. That was excellent. I wanted to learn that. I had that skill, but I wanted to improve it. On the second day, Ankush also told many important things for how to speak spontaneously. That was also making the start and which was talked about. I like it very much. And today, the thing which we did with the group discussion. Everyone was being jealous from someone or the other. I like this thing very much. I could never have seen what my mistakes were if I was not being judged.